Our thoughts and prayers are with the brave scout and their families affected by the earthquake in Cebu and Davao. Let's come together to support each other in times of need.
Scouting teach us to be prepared, but natural disasters can strike anytime, sending our support and love to those affected.
We are sending our love and support and prayers to our fellow scout in Cebu and Davao. We do everything we can to support each other during this difficult time.
Our thoughts are with the victims of earthquake. We're here to support and help in any way we can.
As a scout, we're committed to supporting our scouts in any way we can. Let's show our scouting spirit to provide aid to those affected by the earthquake.
We are one scouting family and we'll get through this together.
Our hearts go out to the victims of the earthquake. We're one scouting family and we're here to support each other.
Sending strength, courage, and love to our scout brothers and sisters in Cebu and Davao. You are not alone.
We're with you, you fellow scouts, sending love, support, and prayers to our brothers and sisters in Cebu and Davao. Stay strong, fellow scouts.
We are one with you in love and prayers.
To those who are willing to support this project, your donation can be accepted dito po sa tahanan ng Barkada ng Scouting ng Maynila, the MCBSP Scouting Center, located at Buenviaje, Carpena Street, dito po sa Quiapo. We are adjacent to Apolinario Mabini Elementary School. Or you may bring your donation to the National Office Headquarters, dyan po sa Natividad Almeda, Ermita, Manila, sa National Office po ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Or you can email me at jeremyjosetrasga@gmail.com. Salamat po.
Bangon Cebu, laban Davao, kaya natin to.
Bangon Cebu! Laban Davao! Kaya natin to!